Good day everyone, I am Kananyan and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, we are going to do a very fast engineering. For today's topic, Arduino. This is an Arduino Uno. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It was designed for anyone making interactive projects, accessible to artists, designs, hobbyists, and anyone interested in creating interactive movement. So this particular here is actually an Arduino Uno R3, which is the cheapest and the most common one. As you can see here, we have the whole Arduino Uno R3. This is the USB port, this is the power, and this is the power input or the power pins. We also have here the analog pins and the digital pins, which is there is a squiggly line on some of them, which means it is a PWM pin. Okay, so this is the Arduino Uno IDE. So as you can see here, we have a void setup and void loop. In the void setup, we set up our code here. So if we're declaring a pin, we use pin mode. So we use pin mode, then declare the pin number and also its functionality, if it's what its mode is, if it's an output or an input. Since we're blinking an LED, we defined it as output. Next, in the void loop, which is our main code here, which will run repeatedly until the Arduino turns off. So if we're blinking an LED, we need to use the digital right. So as you can see, we need to digital. Then we declare its pin, which is 13, and its state, which is high or low, then high. Then we can copy it and change the second one to low. To blink, we need a delay function, a delay method. So this delay is just a delay, then the parameter is a number which is in milliseconds. So this is it. Then we're verifying if there is something wrong with our code. There is none, and compile. That's all. And let's go to the output. As you can see here, this green LED right here is blinking, which is the corresponding pin is the pin 13.